Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to share a heartwarming story about love, kindness, and the unexpected connections that can change our lives forever. In a small village surrounded by vast forests and sparkling lakes, lived a poor man named Jack. Jack's life was simple but filled with purpose. He lived in a tiny house made of old wood, a place he had built with his own hands. Each day, he rose with the sun, ready to chop wood in the forest. His hands had become calloused from years of hard work, yet his heart remained gentle and kind. Though Jack had no family or close friends, he found joy in helping his neighbors whenever he could. Whether fixing a fence or sharing his firewood with someone in need, Jack always managed to find a reason to smile, even on the hardest days. One early morning, as Jack gathered wood by the shimmering lake, he noticed something glimmering in the water. Curious, he approached the shore and saw a delicate necklace, its chain catching the sunlight. He reached down, admiring the intricate design, when a soft voice broke the quiet. "Excuse me, sir. Have you seen a necklace around here?" Jack turned to see a young woman standing nearby, her face a mix of worry and hope. She was beautiful, with long, flowing hair and bright, kind eyes that sparkled like the lake. Her name was Eleanor, and she had come to the village to visit her grandmother. The necklace had been a treasured gift from her late mother, and she feared it was lost forever. With a shy smile, Jack held out the necklace. "Here it is," he said softly, feeling his heart race at the sight of her radiant smile as she took it from him. "I'm glad I could help." Eleanor's face lit up with relief, her eyes sparkling. "Thank you so much. I was so worried I'd never find it again." She glanced at him, taking in his simple clothing and the kindness in his eyes. "I'd like to repay you. Would you join me for a walk?" As they strolled along the lakeshore, Jack found himself opening up to Eleanor in a way he had never done with anyone before. They talked about their lives, dreams, and favorite things. Jack shared stories of the forest, describing the beauty of the changing seasons, the sound of the wind through the trees, and the joy of discovering new trails. Eleanor listened intently, fascinated by his perspective on life. Days turned into weeks, and each time Eleanor visited her grandmother, she made it a point to meet Jack by the lake. Their bond deepened with each encounter. They laughed together, shared stories, and created cherished memories. Jack carved small wooden trinkets for her, each one a piece of his heart. In return, Eleanor brought him freshly baked bread and sweet treats from her grandmother's kitchen. As the sun set over the lake, casting a golden glow, Jack felt warmth in his heart he had never known before. With Eleanor, he felt seen and valued. She had become not just his friend, but slowly, his love. However, their blossoming relationship faced challenges. When Eleanor's family learned about her friendship with Jack, they were concerned. They had dreams for her future, hoping she would marry someone wealthy, believing it was the only path to a comfortable life. Eleanor stood her ground, her voice steady. "Jack may not have riches, but he has a heart full of kindness. He brings me joy like no one else ever has. I cannot let go of someone who makes me feel alive." Despite her determination, The weight of her family's disapproval hung heavy. She wanted to prove to them that Jack was worthy of her love, so she approached him with an idea. "What if we organize a community festival?" she suggested. "It could showcase your woodwork, and we can invite everyone from the village. It will be a chance for you to show your talents and for the village to come together." Jack hesitated, his voice tinged with uncertainty. "I'm just a simple woodcutter, Eleanor. Why would anyone be interested in what I do?" "Because you have a gift," she insisted, her eyes sparkling with enthusiasm. "Let's work together to make this festival a success. I believe in you." With Eleanor's encouragement, Jack agreed to the challenge. They spent weeks preparing for the festival, gathering materials and crafting beautiful wooden pieces. Eleanor helped him create signs to display his work and invited her friends and family to attend. As the festival day arrived, excitement filled the air. The village square transformed with colorful decorations, and the smell of delicious food wafted through the streets. Jack set up his booth, showcasing his handcrafted items, a mix of pride and nervousness swirling in his chest. When the villagers began to arrive, they were captivated by Jack's creations. They admired his intricate carvings, beautifully crafted furniture, and delicate ornaments. Jack's talent shone through, and he felt a sense of belonging he had never known before. Eleanor moved through the crowd, greeting friends and introducing them to Jack. She spoke highly of his work, sharing stories of how he transformed simple wood into beautiful art. The villagers began to see Jack not just as a woodcutter, but as a gifted artist with so much to offer. As the sun began to set, casting a warm glow over the festival, Jack and Eleanor stood together, watching happiness unfold around them. Jack's heart swelled with gratitude for Eleanor's unwavering support and the community that embraced him. Yet, as the festival drew to a close, Jack's thoughts turned to the challenges ahead. He knew Eleanor's family would eventually return, and their disapproval would loom over their love. Determined to win their acceptance, Jack decided he needed to do something more. He began working on a project that would showcase his skills. A beautiful wooden bridge connecting the village to the neighboring town. He envisioned it as a symbol of unity, a way to bring people together and foster friendships. With Eleanor by his side, Jack spent weeks constructing the bridge. They gathered materials, drew plans, and worked long hours. Eleanor marveled at Jack's dedication. He poured his heart into every plank, determined to create something that would impress the villagers and earn their respect. When the bridge was finally completed, Jack invited the entire village to see it. The unveiling day arrived and the villagers gathered, curiosity buzzing in the air. As they approached the bridge, their eyes widened in awe at its beauty. It was sturdy, elegantly designed, and a true testament to Jack's hard work. Eleanor stood by Jack's side, her voice filled with emotion. "You did it! You built something incredible," she said, pride radiating from her. As the villagers crossed the bridge, they marveled at Jack's craftsmanship, their conversations buzzing with praise. Eleanor's family, initially skeptical, watched in silence, slowly realizing the impact Jack had made on the community. When the crowd dispersed, Eleanor's father approached Jack, his expression firm yet respectful. I see now that you are not just a woodcutter. You have a gift, and you've shown you can bring people together. I apologize for my earlier judgment. You've earned our respect. A wave of relief washed over Jack. Thank you, sir. All I want is to make Eleanor happy and contribute to our village. Eleanor's mother smiled, her eyes softening. You've done just that, Jack. We can see how much you love her, and we welcome you into our family. With their acceptance, Jack and Eleanor's love blossomed even more. They began planning their future together, dreaming of a life filled with adventure, laughter, and kindness. They married by the very bridge Jack had built, surrounded by family, friends, and the entire village. As the sun set that evening, casting a warm glow over the celebration, Jack realized his life had transformed from loneliness to love. He had found a partner in Eleanor, who saw beyond his humble beginnings to the man he truly was. Together, they became a beacon of hope and inspiration, reminding everyone that love, kindness, and dedication can build bridges, both literally and figuratively. And so, Jack and Eleanor lived happily in the village, always remembering the importance of connection, community, and the power of love to change lives. Their story became a cherished tale, passed down through generations, teaching others that true worth is not measured by wealth, but by the richness of one's heart.